Hey guys, so it's been a bit since I've updated you on my 2004 Chevy Suburban. I posted this video 2 years ago, but since then I haven't done an actual update on what's going on. Now forewarning, I sold the truck. But there's a surprise in the next video. Now though it is sold, I actually do have a lot documented on the overall build. So I'm gonna walk you guys through it, starting off from, just stock 2004 Chevy Suburban to how she was right before we sold her. So this right here is what the Suburban looked like when I first got her. The aftermarket grill is already on there, but I didn't have any pictures from before that. But I bought 3 things. I bought the aftermarket grill, I bought the headlights, and I bought the fender flares. So here you can see the stock lights and the aftermarket headlights. Pretty big difference. Now the one thing that I would suggest if you have a Suburban that's a similar year and you want to start modifying it, start with the side steps. The vehicle is low enough where even without the side steps, you don't really need them to get in. It actually adds a good amount of visual height, so it's definitely something that I would strongly suggest. Now, assembling the fender flares actually probably took longer than installing them. It wasn't actually too hard, it's just more time consuming, but the parts were there and the vehicle's already being worked on, so me and my dad just decided to go ahead and start with them. The lift kit used on the Suburban is a 6-inch rough country lift kit. So while I was getting installed, I went to the tire shop and ended up buying these wheels and tires. I actually didn't know which ones I wanted prior, but going in, they had this brand Extreme Mudder wheels that they had a partnership with. So they told us that they could get them there like in a few hours with the tires. We could just take it right to the other shop and get it installed. So you can just see the size difference in these 2 tires. The stock one's on the right and the aftermarket one's on the left. It's pretty much night and day. And from here, it was really getting exciting because she was just adding so much height. And being in Texas, I love tall vehicles. It's one of those things that you just can't get enough of. At this point now, she's just massive. The weird thing is, it looks like it's more fitting for the Suburbans to be on a lift kit with wheels and tires and stock. But having this vehicle for years and years and years not doing anything to it, and all of a sudden doing everything at once, it kind of reintroduces the vehicle to you. Yes, installed headlights, but that was the next thing that was done to the Suburban. We also got the fender flares painted to match the body color. We got these rolling big power side steps. The cool thing about these is they have the logo in a mirror finish. Only thing being that if the vehicle's dirty, then you can't really see the reflection. Now, the last thing added was this remote start with an upgraded security system. And there's probably more money in the parts and everything added in the vehicle. So that's the build. Now here's the walk around.